Your brain is made of billions of neurons working together like an electric communication network. Each neuron has branches to receive messages, a cell body to process them, and a long axon to send them onward. Signals start at the dendrites, where they pick up information from other neurons. An electrical impulse then races down the axon, held by the myelin sheath for faster travel. At the end, the impulse triggers chemicals called neurotransmitters to cross a tiny gap. These neurotransmitters pass the message, and the process repeats across your brain's vast network.